Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. So today we are going to learn how to merge two arrays. Okay, so let's get started. So those who haven't subscribed my channel, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on it. Okay, so let's see how to merge two arrays in JavaScript. Okay, so here we go with this. Let's use the add book component. So on the constructor side, I will call a function. Okay, merge two arrays. That is right. A function. Okay, so this function I'm going to add it. So I'm going to define two arrays, right? So first of all, I'll make it var first array, first array, right? I'm going to add define this one. So we have this part, right? So I'm going to add the title and the values. Title first, and here I'm going to add the value second, right? Value first. Let's copy and make it a full-fledged one. Okay, so let's make it comma first, second, third, right? Third. Okay, so here we go with it. Make it value 1, 2 and 3. This is the first array, and let's make it the second one. Let's make it copy. Second array, right? Second array. Okay, so we're gonna make it first here first one, first second two, third three. Okay, so we have these two arrays, right? So how we can merge it? So make it a final array. Const final array, okay, equals to, we can make a spread operator over here. So this is first array comma spread operator with second array. Okay, let's console this array. Console dot log, okay, and make it final array, right? Copy this and just print it. Final array is to be like this. Okay, let's see, is it working or not? It is my new app. So go to the console.log. Here you can see that final object, first, second, third, first one, second one, third one. So it's complete, it's merged the whole array, right? So do you such kind of requirement, if you have, then use this. It's very easy. If you have the two arrays, just use the spread operator. This is ECMA 6, no, new version of the script, ECMA part, right? So you can use this A6 version of this JavaScript. Okay, hope it will find helpful for you. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.